answer, dog. 3. Gives us milk. Answer, cow. 4. Has a long trunk. Answer, elephant. 5. King of the jungle. Answer, lion. 6. Tallest land animal. Answer, giraffe. 7. Black and white striped animal. Answer, zebra. 8. Has a pouch for its baby. Answer, kangaroo. 9. Eats bamboo. Answer, panda. 10. Very slow animal with a shell. Answer, tortoise. 11. Loves bananas and swings on trees. Answer, monkey. 12. Lives in water and says quack. Answer, duck. 13. Largest bird in the world. Answer, ostrich. 14. Has 2 humps. Answer, Bactrian camel. 15. Known for its colorful feathers and tail. Answer, peacock. 16. Black and white bird that cannot fly. Answer, penguins. 17. Has a long neck and lives in Africa. Answer, giraffe. 18. Pink farm animal that oinks. Answer, pig. 19. Has antlers and runs fast in forests. Answer, deer. 20. Animal famous for carrying heavy loads in deserts. Answer, camel. 21. Largest animal on earth. Answer, blue whale. 22. Fastest land animal. Answer, cheetah. 23. Mammal that lays eggs. Answer, platypus. 24. Intelligent marine mammal. Answer, dolphin. 25. Arctic animal with white fur. Answer, polar bear. 26. Large reptile with powerful jaws. Answer, crocodile. 27. Nocturnal bird with excellent eyesight. Answer, owl. 28. Australia's largest flightless bird. Answer, emu. 29. Animal that glides between trees. Answer, flying squirrel. 30. Bird that can mimic human speech. Answer parrot. 31. Animal that changes color to blend in. Answer chameleon. 32. Bird that catches fish with its long beak. Answer pelican. 33. Has black and white stripes and looks like a horse. Answer zebra. 34. Has a long tail and loves climbing trees. Answer monkey. 35. Gives us wool. Answer sheep. 36. Lives in a hive and makes honey. Answer bee. 37. Has 8 legs and spins a web. Answer spider. 38. Has a colorful tail and says gobble gobble. Answer turkey. 39. Lives in water and has fins. Answer fish. 40. Has a hard shell and walks sideways. Answer crab. 41. Has a soft shell and moves slowly. Answer snail. 42. Jumps from lily pad to lily pad. Answer frog. 43. Has a long body and no legs. Answer snake. 44. Lives in the ocean and has 8 arms. Answer octopus. 45. Has fluffy white feathers and lays eggs. Answer hen. 46. A farm bird that wakes people up in the morning. Answer rooster. 47. Small furry animal that loves cheese. Answer mouse. 48. Has sharp teeth and says howl. Answer wolf. 49. Has a bushy tail and loves nuts. Answer squirrel. 50. Lives in rivers, builds dams and has strong front teeth. Answer beaver.
Top 15 World's Best-Selling Commercial Products. GK Quiz. It includes only commercial products sold as brands or models globally. No foods products. Watch till end for fun facts. 1. iPhone. Over 2 billion iPhones have been sold worldwide. Question: which company makes iPhone? Answer: Apple. 2. Toyota Corolla. One of the best-selling cars ever. Question: which country is Toyota from? Answer: Japan. 3. PlayStation. Millions sold globally. Question: Which company makes PlayStation? Answer: Sony. 4. Coca-Cola. Sold in most countries worldwide. Question: Coca-Cola was invented in which country? Answer: United States. 5. Rubik's Cube. One of the best-selling toys ever. Question: How many colors are on a classic cube? Answer: 6. 6. Barbie. Sold worldwide for decades. Question: Which company owns Barbie? Answer: Mattel. 7. Lego. Billions of bricks produced. Question: Lego started in which country? Answer: Denmark. 8. Nike Air Force One. Very high global sales. Question: Nike is from which country? Answer: USA. 9. Harry Potter books. Hundreds of millions sold. Question: Author? Answer: J.K. Rowling. 10. Nintendo Switch. One of the fastest selling consoles. Question: Nintendo is from? Answer: Japan. 11. Samsung Galaxy. Massive worldwide sales. Question: Samsung belongs to which country? Answer: South Korea. 12. Volkswagen Beetle. The Volkswagen Beetle became one of the most sold cars in history. Question: Which country is Volkswagen from? Answer: Germany. 13. BIC Crystal Pen. Billions of BIC pens have been sold worldwide. Question: What type of pen is BIC Crystal? Answer: Ballpoint pen. 14. Nescafe. Nescafe is one of the world's biggest coffee brands. Question: Which company owns Nescafe? Answer: Nestle. 15. Monopoly. Monopoly is one of the best-selling board games ever. Question: In Monopoly, what currency is used? Answer: Monopoly money. Northeastern state sharing its border with Myanmar, famous for Loktak Lake. Which state is marked? Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura. Answer: Manipur. Which is the capital of this state? Chandigarh, Bhopal, Jaipur, Lucknow. Answer: Jaipur. An international airport known for being the world's first fully solar-powered airport. Which airport is it? Trivandrum International Airport, Calicut International Airport, Kannur International Airport, Cochin International Airport. Answer: Cochin International Airport. A red dot appears in the state, famous for being the only home of Asiatic lions. What sanctuary is marked? Gir National Park, Blackbuck Sanctuary, Pench National Park, Nagarhole National Park. Answer: Gir National Park. A red dot marks a city on the eastern coast famous for steel manufacturing. Which city is it? Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Rourkela, Puri. Answer: Rourkela. A high-altitude lake, known as the largest freshwater lake in India. What is the lake? Dal Lake, Chilika Lake, Wular Lake, Panbund Lake. Answer: Wular Lake. This Indian monument is also known as the Palace of Winds, Hawa Mahal, City Palace, Jantar Mantar, Jai Mahal. Answer: Hawa Mahal. This fort in Rajasthan is called the Golden Fort, Jaisalmer Fort, Amber Fort, Mehrangarh Fort, Taragarh Fort. Answer: Jaisalmer Fort. In which state is Nir Mahal, the water palace in the middle of Rudhasagar Lake? Tripura, Assam, Mizoram, West Bengal. Answer: Tripura. Dudhsagar Falls, famous for its milky white appearance, is in which state? Kerala, Goa, Karnataka, Telangana. Answer: Goa. Taj Mahal is located on the banks of which river? Ganga, Narmada, Godavari, Yamuna. Answer: Yamuna. Gateway of India was built to commemorate the visit of which British monarch? Queen Victoria, King Edward VII, King George V, Queen Elizabeth. Answer: King George V. The Lotus Temple in Delhi is a worship place of which faith? Baha'i faith, Hinduism, Sikhism, Buddhism. Answer: Baha'i faith. India Gate was originally built in memory of soldiers who died in which war? World War II, World War I, Anglo-Sikh War, Kargil War. Answer: World War I. What unique feature surrounds the Golden Temple? A sacred water tank, Amrit Sarovar, a desert landscape, a marble canyon, a natural hot spring. Answer: a sacred water tank, Amrit Sarovar. Jama Masjid overlooks which famous market area in Delhi? Sadar Bazar, Karol Bagh, Chandani Chowk, Sarojini Nagar. Answer: Chandani Chowk. This UNESCO site is an ancient Harappan city located in Gujarat. Which site is this? Dholavira, Lothal, Rakhigdi, Kalibangan. Answer: Dholavira. This stepwell is famous for its 7 levels of stairs and intricate sculptures of Vishnu's avatars. Identify the monument. Adalaj Stepwell, Boli of Delhi, Rani Ki Vav, Modhera Stepwell. Answer, Rani Ki Vav. This monument was built by Hamida Banu Begum in memory of a Mughal emperor. Identify the monument. Humayun's tomb, Jama Masjid, Red Fort, Qutub Minar. Answer, Humayun's tomb. These caves are famous for Buddhist paintings in Maharashtra. Which site is this? Ellora Caves, Elephanta Caves, Badami Caves, Ajanta Caves. Answer, Ajanta Caves. 1. Arunachal Pradesh. What is the state animal of Arunachal Pradesh? Red panda, Mithun, snow leopard, yak. Answer, Mithun. 2. Assam. Kaziranga National Park is famous for which animal? Tiger, elephant, one-horned rhinoceros, leopard. Answer, one-horned rhinoceros. 3. Andhra Pradesh. Which famous temple town is known as the spiritual capital of Andhra Pradesh? Srisailam, Amravati, Tirupati, Lepakshi. Answer, Tirupati. 4. Bihar. Bodh Gaya is famous for which religion? Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Hinduism. Answer, Buddhism. 5. Chhattisgarh. Which waterfall is known as the Niagara of India? Jonha Falls, Dudhsagar, Chitrakoot Falls, Athirapalli. Answer, Chitrakoot Falls. 6. Goa. Basilica of Bom Jesus is dedicated to which saint? Saint Francis Xavier, Saint Peter, Saint Paul, Saint Augustine. Answer, Saint Francis Xavier. 7. Gujarat. Gir forest is home to which rare animal? Bengal tiger, Asiatic lion, black panther, cheetah. Answer, Asiatic lion. 8. Haryana. Kurukshetra is famous for which ancient text? Mahabharat, Arthashastra, Ramayana, Vedas. Answer, Mahabharat. 9. Himachal Pradesh. Rohtang Pass connects which two regions? Shimla and Kinnaur, Kangra and Chamba, Manali and Dalhousie, Kullu and Lahaul Spiti. Answer, Kullu and Lahaul Spiti. 10. Jharkhand. Which city is known as the Steel City of India? Ranchi, Dhanbad, Jamshedpur, Bokaro. Answer, Jamshedpur. 11. Karnataka. Which river flows through the Jag Falls in Karnataka? Sharvati, Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari. Answer, Sharvati. 12. Kerala. Which Kerala festival is famous for snake boat races? Vishu, Thrissur Puram. Pongal. Onam. Answer, Onam. 13. Madhya Pradesh. Bhimbetka caves are famous for what? Sculptures. Rock paintings. Fossils. Stepwells. Answer, rock paintings. 14. Maharashtra. Which is the largest district of Maharashtra by area? Nagpur. Ahmednagar. Pune. Thane. Answer, Ahmednagar. 15. Manipur. Loktak Lake in Manipur is famous for which unique floating islands? Sundarbans. Fumdis. Coral reefs. Care Islands. Answer, Fumdis. 16. Meghalaya. Which place in Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall? Mawasyanam. Shillong. Tura. Jovai. Answer, Mawasyanam. Half part of one state, one question will come in.
Dhokla is a popular dish of which Indian state? A. Rajasthan. B. Punjab. C. Gujarat. D. Assam. Answer, Gujarat. Makki di roti and sarson da saag is a traditional dish of which state? A. Haryana. B. Punjab. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer, Punjab. Which state is famous for pakla bhata? A. Odisha. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. West Bengal. Answer, Odisha. Bamboo shoot curry is widely eaten in which northeastern state? A. Nagaland. B. Mizoram. C. Manipur. D. Meghalaya. Answer, Nagaland. Hyderabadi biryani is the pride of which state? A. Maharashtra. B. Telangana. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Delhi. Answer, Telangana. Litti chokha is a traditional dish of which state? A. Bihar. B. Jharkhand. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer, Bihar. Fish curry and rice is the staple food of which coastal state? A. Kerala. B. Goa. C. West Bengal. D. Odisha. Answer, Goa. Idli and sambar are famous dishes of which South Indian state? A. Karnataka. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Kerala. Answer, Tamil Nadu. Masala dosa is traditionally associated with which South Indian state? A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer, Karnataka. Dal bati churma is a famous food from which state? A. Gujarat. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Uttarakhand. D. Rajasthan. Answer: Rajasthan. Prawn malai curry is famous in which state? A. Odisha. B. West Bengal. C. Kerala. D. Goa. Answer: West Bengal. Rogan Josh is a world famous dish of which state UT? A. Punjab. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Jammu and Kashmir. D. Uttarakhand. Answer: Jammu and Kashmir. Siddu is a steamed bread dish eaten in which Himalayan state? A. Sikkim. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. Uttarakhand. Answer: Himachal Pradesh. Thukpa noodle soup is a staple food of which state? A. Sikkim. B. Arunachal Pradesh. C. Nagaland. D. Manipur. Answer: Sikkim. Chole Bhature is a famous dish of which state or UT? A. Chandigarh. B. Ladakh. C. Puducherry. D. Delhi. Answer: Delhi.
Fill in the blanks. Q1. The only continent without any permanent human settlement is dash. Q2. The Tropic of Cancer passes through dash number of Indian states. Q3. The headquarters of the International Court of Justice is located at dash. Answers: 1. Antarctica. 2. 8. 3. The Hague. Q4. The first Indian satellite launched into space was dash. Q5. The largest freshwater lake by surface area in the world is dash. Q6. The Indian Constitution borrowed the concept of fundamental rights mainly from dash. Answers: 1. Aryabhatta. 2. Lake Superior. 3. USA. True false. Q1. The Great Wall of China is visible from the moon with naked eyes. Q2. Australia is both a country and a continent. Q3. The human body has more than 600 muscles. Answers: 1. False. 2. True. 3. True. Q4. The currency of Japan is yuan. Q5. Antarctica has no permanent human population. Q6. The right to privacy is a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution. Answer: 1. False. 2. True. 3. True. Picture-based GK quiz. Q1. Identify the monument shown in the picture. Answer: 1. Konark Sun Temple, Odisha. 2. India Gate, Delhi. 3. Charminar, Hyderabad. Identify these space objects. One. Jupiter, the biggest planet. 2. Earth, the blue planet. 3. Saturn, the planet with rings. MCQs. Q1. Which country has no official capital city? Switzerland, Nauru, Monaco, Vatican City. Q2. Which gas is known as laughing gas? Nitrogen, oxygen, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide. Q3. Which organ of the human body can regenerate itself? Heart, brain, liver, kidney. Answers. 1. Nauru. 2. Nitrous oxide. 3. Liver. Q4. Which planet has the longest day? Earth, Venus, Mars, Jupiter. Q5. Which blood group is called the universal donor? A, B, AB, O negative. Q6. Which country invented paper? India, China, Egypt, Greece. Answers. 1. Venus. 2. O negative. 3. China. Map-based quiz. Identify the states of India where these places are located. 1. Rann of Kutch. 2. Mumbai Port. 3. Taj Mahal. 4. Victoria Memorial. 5. Thar Desert. 6. Ooty. Answers. 1. Gujarat. 2. Maharashtra. 3. Uttar Pradesh. 4. West Bengal. 5. Rajasthan. 6. Tamil Nadu. Matchings. Match the following rivers with their origin. Rivers. A. Narmada. B. Yamuna. C. Godavari. D. Kaveri. Origin. 1. Brahmagiri Hills. 2. Amarkantak. 3. Trimbakeshwar. 4. Yamunotri. Answer. A. Narmada Amarkantak. B. Yamuna Yamunotri. C. Godavari Trimbakeshwar. D. Kaveri Brahmagiri Hills. Match the following books with their authors. Books. A. Discovery of India. B. Annihilation of Caste. C. Arthashastra. D. My Experiments with Truth. Authors. 1. Kautilya. 2. B.R. Ambedkar. 3. Jawaharlal Nehru. 4. M.K. Gandhi. Answer. Discovery of India. Jawaharlal Lal Nehru. Annihilation of Caste B.R. Ambedkar. Arthashastra. Kautilya. My Experiments with Truth. M.K. Gandhi. Guess what? Which body part is shown in the picture? Answer. 1. Kidneys. 2. Brain. 3. Liver. 4. Stomach. 5. Heart. Can you guess these gems by its color? Answer. 1. Ruby. 2. Opal. 3. Emerald. 4. Amethyst. 5. Diamond. Q1. Which article of the Constitution of India deals with the right to equality? Article 12. Article 14. Article 19. Article 21. Answer. Article 14. Q2. Who was the first Indian woman to become a state governor? Sarojini Naidu. Indira Gandhi. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Sucheta Kriplani. Answer. Sarojini Naidu.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks.